নমস্কার, চলবে রণজিতে আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত। আপনাদের ভালো রাখতে সমাজকে ভালো করার প্রয়াসই এই প্রতিবেদনের অবতারণা। আপনারা জানেন যে ডিএ মামলার শুনানি এবং শুনানির শেষে রায়দান পর্ব, আজকে রায় হবে কিনা সেটা নিয়ে যথেষ্ট সন্দেহ আছে, কিন্তু শুনানি পর্ব চলছে। আপনারা জানেন ইতিমধ্যেই গোপাল সুব্রমণিয়াম রাজ্য সরকারি কর্মচারীদের হয়ে তিনি সওয়াল করেছেন, এবং আমি এই পর্বটি দেখাবো যেখানে ফিরদৌস শামীম যে তৎপরতার সাথে তথ্যটা দিলেন গোপাল সুব্রমণিয়ামের হাতে, সেটা বেশ তারিফযোগ্য। কেন বলছি জানেন? মাননীয় বিচারপতিদ্বয় যে রায়টা দেবেন সেটার দিকে তাকিয়ে সারা প্যান ইন্ডিয়া এবং মাননীয় বিচারপতি সঞ্জয় ক্যারল এবং মাননীয় বিচারপতি প্রশান্ত কুমার মিশ্র তারা প্রশ্নবাণে জর্জরিত করছেন, কারণ সমস্ত ইন্টারপ্রিটেশন একেবারে খুঁটিনাটি পক্ষে বিপক্ষের প্রত্যেকটা জিনিস তারা দেখছেন, কারণ রায়টা তো ভীষণ গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। এবং সেইখানে যে প্রশ্নটা তিনি করলেন এবং মাননীয় আইনজীবী গোপাল সুব্রমণিয়ামের হাতে সে তথ্যটা তখন ছিল না, এবং সেটা তৎপরতার সাথে প্রোভাইড করলেন ফিরদৌস শামীম। আশাবাদী সমস্ত রাজ্য সরকারি কর্মচারী এবং আমরাও যে এইটাতেও শেষ হাসি তারাই হাসবেন। একটু দেখুন।
Know how to what my lord, the Honorable Justice Mishra put to me. Let me apply, my lord, that Bang Bhavan and this. But, my lord, that is a case where we are two people under the same government. The important thing I want your lordships to appreciate is we are not claiming, my lord, DA on a principle of parity with central government employees. This is very important, my lord.
No, you see, but the destination,
Yes,
which you want to reach,
Yes.
is the same.
my lord, that is,
By way of process of interpretation,
yes,
you is compelling the court or praying before the court to issue a writ of mandamus.
my lord, may I say, I
You are
understand.
claiming the central DA
Yes,
by applying this AICPI.
yes,
Without mentioning that give us central DA rate,
Yes.
you are saying apply AICPI.
yes.
But it boils down to the same thing.
Well, the result, as your lordship said, the destination, if I may say so with respect.
The only argument which can save you is that we are not playing anything over and above what the rules say.
What the rule says.
That is what your argument
Yes.
is.
And
And if the rules permit this, then it is an enforceable thing. We are not demanding anything new.
well, not only this,
Yes.
if I may say so, the fact that this coincides with the rate of the central government is not, my lord, the fulcrum of the claim. In other words, my lord, if I claim parity with another person because I say we perform the same functions, then all the judgments which Mr. Divan cited would all become applicable. I am saying that this is only a matter, this is the outcome. But the outcome, the process of the outcome is the rule. In other words, my lord, the fact that I reach that destination does not mean that I actually, through an invidious process of reasoning, am claiming similarity. For instance, my lord, let's look at the revised pay structure. The revised pay structure of a central government employee, my lord, is different from the revised pay structure of a state government employee. But, my lord, only for DA, this formula is there because it is only a percentage of basic pay which is given, my lord, as an allowance. Therefore, my lord, I am saying, and my lord, this is a judgment in 54. In fact, Justice Madan's judgment in Central Inland Water Revenue, my lord, it's a classic judgment where the learned judge expounds on what we expect from a state in relation to its employees. Well, it's a lodestar. And the learned judge also says that we must not lose sight of the fact that employees, this doctrine of pleasure, fortunately, over the years, we have put some degrees of constraints in it. But otherwise, the hire and fire, or shall we say the erstwhile Henry VIII clause, that, my lord, is no longer possible under our constitutional scheme. So, my lord, even though we have a federal structure, but if under 309, my lord, rules of 30 proviso to 309, they are, in fact, my lord, this is the only provision where it is subject to an act of legislature. So, my lord, until the legislature passes an act, this is law which actually operates And because it is law which operates, therefore, my lord, rights and obligations have to be determined in accordance with that law. And I appreciate my lord's comment that we arrive at that destination, but my lord, that destination, if I may say so, works differently for both of us. It is only for the percentage we are the same. We are the same. But my lord, it is a percentage of the basic pay, the revised pay. That is not a either. That is the point I make. So what is actually worth is only the percentage. And this, my lord, is a part of the expression emoluments. The reason why I'm very grateful, my lord, to my Lord Justice Mishra, as I said, my lord, I really I didn't think of the central government rules, but those rules clearly indicate in 2000, at that period, my lord, they clearly define existing emoluments with reference to this wage. So, my lord, this, if I may say so, is the farthest I think, my lord, I can see.
Do you have that notification by the central government?
Yes.
Sanctioning DA by applying AICPI?
My lord, we are just.
It is not in the rules.
We have the state government notification.
No, my lord, we also have the
Central.
one.
Yes.
Give it to us, give it to us.
My lord, it is in the rule itself, my lord, that your lordship wants to see the notification.
Because rule doesn't say the word AICPI is not referred in the rules.
My lord, this is index average. My lord, may I just explain?
Index average.
This index average,
Index average and AICPI is one and the same.
one
Correct.
and the same. My lord, there is nowhere, nothing else.
There is nothing else.
It is the same language, my lord. AICPI is
There is only one index average.
only one index average, my lord, throughout the country.
Mr. Diwan has given a document yesterday explaining what ASPI is.
Column 3.
Yes. Yes.
Is there any notification to that effect is what we are asking? If it is so, you can give it to us after.
Yes, yes. My lord, in fact, my lord, there are many notifications of the Ministry of Labour.
Just one.
Yes, yes. Oh, yes, certainly. Certainly, my lord, I'll produce that notification, how this is calculated. And my lord, there's also a third ministry, I forgot, the Bureau of Statistics. Even that is involved in working out, my lord, these indices. But your lordships may take it. I'll produce the relevant notifications from the Government of India website in relation to AICPI and how it is. But your lordships may take it that this index, my lord, that is why throughout, even in the writ petition by the state, they took the position you are getting the cue of this All India Consumer Price Index only because of this Roman 3. That state government also.
In their note, he has mentioned.
Yes.
In their note.
Yes, in para 11. That's right. It expressly mentions.
They have referred.
So, my lord, this AICPI is the only way this indexation happens as far as central government and the pay commissions are concerned.
Is this?
Yes, my lord, in the 2-page note.
11.
The AICPI index rates are alien to ROPA 2009, save and except only for the definition of a component of existing emoluments in rule. Yes. Existing emoluments in rule 31C3. My lord, existing, my learned friend is referring to in present time. My lord, existing emoluments means that the emoluments which shall exist under the ROPA rules.
That means alien, yet not alien.
Yet, that's exactly the point. Alien, but not fully alien.
Fully alien.
That's the point.
Yes.
And that, I think, my lord, is with respect a contradiction in terms.
Thank you.
I'm very grateful, my lord, extremely grateful, very kind.
May I just supplement very brief?
No, you, please, all of you this side, we are in no rush.
Yes.
Please take as much time as you.
Because it is not going to be concluded in 5 minutes.
No, not in